Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a jailbroken PlayStation 4. First, it's crucial to understand the inherent risks involved, including potential console bans or system instability. You'll need to verify your PlayStation 4's current firmware version to ensure it's compatible with a reliable jailbreak. Always back up your console's data to an external drive, which could be a USB stick or an external hard drive, before attempting any system modifications. This step is vital for data preservation. Once you've prepared your console, the next step involves installing the custom firmware. This typically requires a USB drive formatted to FAT32, containing the specific jailbreak files. After the firmware is installed, you'll use a web-based exploit host or a dedicated application to activate the jailbreak. Following this, you'll need to install homebrew applications like an FTP client or a package installer. These tools are essential for transferring game files and managing your console's modified system. Now, let's get Fortnite onto your system. You'll need to find the PlayStation 4 package files for Fortnite from a reputable source. Be extremely cautious about where you download these files to avoid malware. Once downloaded, use an FTP client, such as FileZilla, to transfer these large game files, which can be upwards of 50 gigabytes, from your computer to your PlayStation 4's internal hard drive. After the transfer, use your console's package installer to install the game and any required updates or data packs. With Fortnite installed, you can now launch it directly from your PlayStation 4's home screen. However, it's crucial to understand the significant risks associated with playing online. Connecting to official Epic Games servers on a jailbroken console will likely result in a permanent account ban. For a safer experience, consider playing offline if the game supports it, or exploring private servers if available. Always prioritize the security of your main account and console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.